Before coming to the mains optional strategy, can we know how did you decide that this is the optional that you should be taking, and why should one opt for geography optional?
Ma'am, I studied in Delhi University, and while I was there, I decided anthropology as my optional. But once I came back to Kerala, I realized that geography is something that excited me more than anthropology. So I shifted from geography. Along with that, for those who are opting for optionals, I generally tell them just prioritize their interest because in GS subjects, everybody studies that. But for optional, we have to invest our time and all. So interest is the first thing that we have to consider while opting an optional. Then, when it comes to geography specifically, one thing is the prelims advantage that geography is giving us. Because while analyzing the question papers, we can see there are a lot of mapping questions that UPSC asks in prelims
Hmm.
itself. But when it comes to world geography, also there are rivers, mountains, as well as countries which covering the other countries from a international perspective. So the prelims advantage is something that geography students experience or while prelims exam. Along with that, there is a huge overlap in mains itself, especially optional paper two, which is closely linked to the GS paper. For the GS one, we have the geography assessing paper, GS1 paper. For the paper two, we are having the polity and governance, which can be used in the regional planning portion of paper two in optional paper. Then in the IR, we have political geography to study. In when it comes to paper three, that the GS3 paper, we are having economic geography there. We have space to study. So I think when it comes to the mains, there is a huge overlap between the GS papers as well as the optional paper two of geography. So that means advantage is something that geography students can enjoy. Along with that, for anybody coming from, whether they are coming from the humanities background or from the science background, they can approach geography because it's a semi-science, semi-humanity subject. So I definitely suggest people to take geography, but one thing is that you must have that interest because when we analyze the syllabus of geography, we can see that it is very vast and wide. So for somebody who is very interested, they can easily study that. Otherwise, the huge syllabus to cover that becomes a little bit a challenge for them. Otherwise, geography is a great subject.